In this tutorial, I'll show you how to render wireframe, solid and textured images together by using Blender and Photoshop. A lot of 3D experts are showing their detailed renders this way, and I believe this presentation method is a must-learn subject for all Blender users. This was the original image. What you do is, you present your final work and post the wireframe and solid renders below. We have a wireframe image. We have a solid image. And finally, we have the fully textured render image. I'll show you how to produce the renders that way and how you can mix them together like this by using Photoshop. This Viewport Render Image is the feature we'll use to produce separate render images. The feature will render what you see on the screen, unless you specify where to render by pressing the numpad 0. Because the feature will render what you see, it will also render the grid, origin, 3D cursor, etc. We need to turn all of them off by pressing this button. Or we can select what to show in our viewport render. Now we have all three images. Open them in Photoshop and copy and paste them into a single PSD file like this. Arrange the layers any way you like and find the best spot to slice the images. I'll use the guide to be more accurate. We can slice the image any way we like. What we need to do is removing certain part of the images by marquee selecting deleting the parts we don't need. I'll show you what I mean. Since the wireframe render has the transparent background, we need to add a new layer at the bottom and fill it with white. We have finally produced the wireframe render. Solid render. Textured render. And the combined image. This concludes the tutorial on how to render wireframe, solid and textured images together by using Blender and Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.